Make your English conversations flow. Master yes, no reported questions. Hello, English language learners. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English language learning. Reporting yes, no questions. This is a vital part of reported speech, especially when you want to talk about a question someone else asked. So, let's dive in and unravel this interesting topic. First, let's understand what yes, no questions are. These are questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no. For example, did you eat breakfast? Can be answered with either yes, I did, or no, I didn't. When it comes to reporting these questions, we use a slightly different structure compared to the direct question. For instance, if we want to report the previous question, we would say, he asked if I had eaten breakfast. The structure of reported yes, no questions is pretty straightforward. We start with a reporting verb, such as asked or wanted to know, followed by if or whether. Then, we add the subject and the verb in the appropriate tense. Note that the verb tense typically shifts back one step because the action is being reported after it occurred. So the formula is reporting verb plus if, whether plus subject plus verb. Let's look at an example. Direct question: are you studying English? Reported question: she asked if I was studying English. You might be wondering, when should we use if, and when should we use whether? Generally, both can be used interchangeably in reported speech. However, whether is often used when there's a sense of two possibilities or alternatives. For example, direct question: will you take the bus or the train? Reported question: he wanted to know whether I would take the bus or the train. Reporting yes, no questions is very common in everyday English conversation. It helps to convey information asked by someone else, and it's also a great way to include indirect questions in your speech. Let's look at another example. Direct question: do you like coffee? Reported question: he wondered whether I liked coffee. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this aspect of English grammar. So, try to incorporate reported yes, no questions into your daily English conversations and writing exercises. And that wraps up our lesson on yes, no reported questions. I hope this lesson makes your journey of learning English grammar a bit easier. Remember to keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll have mastered this important aspect of English conversation. Until next time, happy learning!